Hi, teacher Edelmira. Well, the homework of this week is about present continuous tense, and we are going to talk about temporary activities that I am doing these days. So, in this video, I will practice what we are learning this week about present continuous tense. Nowadays, we are doing many temporary activities that we never imagined that we would do, and all this for COVID-19 pandemic. In these days, I do activities like I am cleaning my shoes when I come from any place outside of my house, from any place like my office, supermarket, any mall, or I visit my grandmother or my sister. I clean my shoes when I come from any of these places. I'm using one face mask when I'm working in the office to prevent COVID-19, and also I use face mask when I go to my sister's house or my grandmother's house, or when I go out to any place. I use one face mask. Also, I am buying many alcohol gel and face masks in the supermarket. And nowadays, I'm working some days from my house, that is home office. And this is because in the company that I work, they decided that we only go to work to the office only the middle of the week, also to prevent COVID-19. And so I'm working from house like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday one week, and next week I'm working Tuesday and Thursday from my house. So that's how it works. This right. So, well, also I'm taking a shower every day when I come from office. I'm cleaning my hands with many water and soap, and also I am praying to God for all the people that is sick for COVID-19 and with many diseases. This is something that I really like to do because there are many people that is suffering these diseases like COVID-19. And to talk about other topics, I'm doing exercise every week, and I like to run and to jog because I want to lose my weight, because I'm a kind of fat right now. I'm selling some printers to get some money too. I'm selling these printers, so this is one of my temporary activities. And these weeks, I'm taking care of my grandmother because she has some surgery in her eye last week. So I'm taking care of my grandmother. Also, I am helping my cousin with some topics of math and physics that she doesn't understand. So I'm helping her with this. And well, I am working every day and studying all the classes of the university. And yeah, that's it. Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you for paying attention.